What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video you saw me put the motor and the transmission into the car, and in this video I'll be putting in the radiator, the intake manifold, plugging in all the sensors, getting all the wiring done, and also the vacuum lines. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, let's get into it. so that's finally it. I did all the wiring, did all the vacuum lines. Everything is essentially one-to-one with my white SRT4. And this thing runs and drives fine. So I'm pretty excited because the next step is firing this thing up. So in the next video, I'm gonna be installing the exhaust, putting oil in the car, putting coolant in the car, and we are firing this thing up. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate those who have followed along for this journey. It's been pretty exciting. I've had this car for a little over a year, and we're almost there. So like I said, in the next video, exhaust, oil, coolant, this thing's firing up. And I'll also be installing some suspension components. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.